In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete an Instagram account from your accounts list. So what I mean by that is if you're on the login screen of Instagram and you have all those different accounts that you have saved on your device, I'll show you how to get rid of those. So once you are logged into Instagram, what you need to do is you need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Then you'll see 3 horizontal stripes at the top right-hand corner. Tap on that. And then you want to tap right at the top there where it says settings. From the settings page, just scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you have a couple of login options at the bottom. You want to tap this one at the right at the bottom that says log out all accounts. So I'll tap on that, and then you have the option to, if you want to remember the login information. So I'll just say not now, and then I will log out of this account. Now, to remove these accounts is very easy, and on an iPhone, you're actually going to have an edit button underneath all the account lists. But if you go and see on the right-hand side of the login button there's 3 vertical dots. If you tap on those 3 dots, it's going to say remove account, then just tap on remove. Then you can repeat the process for all the accounts on that homepage, and then that'll take you directly to the login screen. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.